Unboxing Miraculous Japan official merch. Part 1. I ordered some merch from the official Japan Miraculous store. Let's unbox them together. Ladybug plushie. It's so cute. Cat War plushie. Little kitty cat. Marionette plushie. It's so detailed. Adrian plushie. It looks awesome. Luca, my favorite character. He looks so cute. It's the Jagged Stone logo. Thanks for watching. Follow my Instagram for part 2 and more miraculous unboxing.